Today I'm going to be checking out this 6-pack of replacement filters for Honeywell humidifiers. Now, Wes sent this at no cost so I could do the review. So let's go ahead and get them out of the packaging and check out their quality. All right, so I took one out of the package, and if you'll notice, it looks pretty much identical to the one that's going to be in your Honeywell humidifier. They sit down in the bottom of the humidifier like this, and they're round. If you've opened up your humidifier, you'll, see these if you've got the comparable model that uses these. And it actually looks a lot like the one that comes with it. It's got this nice mesh here, filter that goes around the inside, and then it's got an even tighter mesh on the outside here. And the key point on this is humidifiers are dealing with moisture, and you want to keep out as much dirt and contaminants as you're, pulling the air in and creating the humidity back into the air. You want that to be as clean as possible. So you want good filters, and you want to change them on proper schedules. Because if not, you're just filtering through dust and everything else that's in your air right into your humidifier so you can just breathe it right back in. These are going to help you clean the air, keep all of that just dirt, dust, pollen, just all those contaminants out of your humidifier so that way it can work the best that it can. So you definitely want to change these on the right schedules and find good high quality filters. And these look pretty good. I mean, definitely going to be using these in mine. And I mean, they look pretty much just like what came out of it from the factories. But yeah, these look good. I'm definitely going to be using these. And I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.